guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is an unboxing video. I got this polygel kit online, and this is who the name is by. Modelones Professional Nail System. So this is poly nail extension gel, and it tells you how to use it with the nail dual forms. Like it gives you all the details. So it says that the polygel may be sticky or thick in cold weather, so you can put it in warm water 5 to 8 minutes to make it easier for you to get out of the tube if it won't get out. Which, that's a good tip, because obviously I wouldn't know that. So I have these different colors. This is like a purple glitter color. This one is like a bluish color, I believe. This one I think is a golden color. So they're like purple, blue, and like a I'll post a picture that shows what the actual colors are online, because you can't really tell from the box. So this kit comes in a big box. With everything that you may need. So this looks like some nail art. So it comes with the nail file, some stickers, some design nail tape, some more stickers. And it has some brushes, and this is a brush and I guess a picker, probably for the polygel or to pick up some of the gems. It also comes with these forms for your fingers. That's another file in here. And there's also a little container for you to put the polygel, a nail clipper. This is a nail art tool. And it comes with the clamps to hold the polygel and all your fingers. The slip solution. And this is the spatula that you use to spread the polygel. And a cuticle pusher. And I don't know what this is for. It's another spatula. And that's a brush for the polygel. Okay. It also comes with some glitter. And I think that's foils. There's also some gems. These are the plastic forms. from what I researched, it says that you can reuse them. This literally comes with everything you need. So this is the nail primer. This is the nail prep dehydrator. This is the base coat. And this is the top coat. There's also, come on, focus in, the nail glue gel. I'm assuming this is for the tools. And of course it has a UV light. And of course it came with the polygel colors. So there's like a clear color, it looks like a whitish color, a plum and a pinkish color. And then it has like a glitter purple and a pinkish shade. So this box came with a lot of stuff. It was only $50. Online it's $54. $54.99 on Amazon. So there's detailed instructions. Wash your hands and dry them thoroughly. Use the nail clipper to cut your nails to suitable length. Gently push back your cuticles and rough skin with polished pillar and cuticle trimmer. Okay, so that's what that was. Remove the extra cuticles with the cuticle trimmer. File and shape nails with the buffer file. Wipe off the dust with the cleanser pad and allow to dry for 15 seconds. Apply a thin base coat and cure with the UV LED lamp. 30 to 60 seconds. Take polygel nail extension gel with the dual-ended nail brush and spatula. Put it on the suitable dual for your nail. From online, what I see, it says to use a pea-size amount because you don't want it to be too thick. Dip the brush into the solution and brush the gel inside the nail to form the effect you want. They say to make it thicker down towards your cuticle and thinner towards the top, I think. Put the nail form with gel on your nail and press it lightly, then remove gel that has been squeezed out the sides of the form with the wet brush. Cure both sides of the form with gel your nails 30 to 60 seconds for each side as recommended. Pop off the nail form and wipe both sides of the nail extension with soap solution to remove the sticky layer. Shape the nail extension, file and smooth the nail surface slightly with the buffer. Apply top coat and cure. And then it also tells you how to remove, which is good. Then it tells you some tips. Try not to extend your 10 nails at a time. Do one nail at a time. The form should be a little bit bigger than the actual nail so the polygel extension can reach the edges of the nails, which makes sense. The cure time is up to different UV LED lamp specifications. If poly nail gel is clear without colors, you can color and decorate the nail extensions after they are dry and hard. After finishing extending your nails, try not to use your fingernails to open cans, lids, nutshells, and avoid exposure to hot water for a long time. You can use base coat or 70% alcohol as a slip solution to get the same effect. Dip the brush into slip solution and gently dab the brush with a paper towel if it's too wet. So I am going to attempt to do this and see how it goes, and I will record. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the video of me attempting to use this stuff. Oh, and I also grabbed some nail art online. It's a stamping kit. I wanted to do like some hearts and little flowers and stuff. And it came with some more tape too, and some rhinestones. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I will record. Thanks for watching.